Are you ready to kickstart your Amazon FBA journey with the best tools at your disposal? In this video, we're diving into how to get started with Amazon FBA using JungleScout, a powerful software that can help you find profitable products, analyze competition, and optimize your listings. If you're new to Amazon FBA, this guide is perfect for you, as we'll walk you through the essential features JungleScout has to offer, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to use it to scale your business. Now, before we jump in, I've got something special for you. If you stick around, I'll show you how you can access JungleScout completely for free, along with some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get started. So, let's dive in. First, JungleScout is designed to take the guesswork out of selling on Amazon. Whether you're just starting or scaling, it has the tools you need to find product opportunities and make data-driven decisions. Let's start with their product research tool. This is where you'll spend a lot of time. You can filter products by category, price, sales, and competition. It helps you identify profitable niches and see how well products are performing on Amazon. When using the product research tool, make sure to look at the opportunity score for products. This score gives you a quick snapshot of how good the market is based on demand and competition. The higher the score, the better the opportunity. Next up is the product tracker. This allows you to track up to 100 products in your chosen niche. With this feature, you can monitor trends, pricing, sales history, and more. This is essential because staying updated on your competitors' performance is key to identifying when to enter a market or adjust your strategy. If you're a new seller, one of the best features JungleScout offers is their supplier database. This helps you find reliable suppliers to source your products directly from manufacturers. It eliminates the guesswork of where to find quality suppliers, saving you hours of research. You can even see which suppliers are fulfilling the most orders, giving you a clear view of their reliability and credibility. Now, let's talk about JungleScout's keyword research tool. Keywords are critical in ensuring your products show up when customers are searching. With this tool, you can discover high-volume keywords that are relevant to your products. It's essential for creating optimized listings that rank higher and get more traffic. One of the best parts about JungleScout is its integration with Amazon's data. The software pulls live data from Amazon, which ensures that you're working with up-to-date numbers. That means when you're making decisions about your product, you're using reliable information that can directly impact your sales. Let's wrap up with the listing builder. This feature helps you optimize your Amazon listing by suggesting keywords, providing listing templates, and even helping with product images. This ensures you're following Amazon's best practices and presenting your product in the most attractive way possible. And remember, all of these features come together to help you save time, reduce risk, and increase profitability. So, now that you know how JungleScout works, you'll want to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. That's why I've partnered with JungleScout to give you an exclusive extended free trial. Just click the first link in the description below to get started. With this trial, you'll have access to all the tools I mentioned in this video, plus a few more to supercharge your Amazon FBA business. Don't miss out on the opportunity to start your Amazon FBA business the right way, with the right tools. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your Amazon FBA journey, JungleScout will guide you all the way. You've got this. Check the first link below to get started with your free trial and start finding profitable products today.